That is exactly what is in the book, but in an interactive mode. One of the other features that you can find in the pretest is this module pretest. Pretests are usually, as you know, they are intended to do a kind of getting an idea of what level of knowledge I have in the class, and that is satisfying the coherency thing in standard progression. So if you are planning any differentiated instruction grouping, you probably may use of that pretest. And if you actually assign to students or assign to the students so that they can do it online, this is what the students will see. So this is a built-in pretest, but it is still can be edited. So we will see that in a few minutes later on when you edit that when we talk about assessment. So what we are waiting for is how the students will see that. So that module pretest this particular one has 5 questions graded over 5, and I'm going actually to see look at those grades. So the student will, and the instructions of course. So when they start the assignment, they are going to be having 5 successive questions that are computer correctable, and they are going to, I'm just going to answer anything, submit. They can jump from one question to any question they want. There are some tools that can be useful for them, highlighters, notepads, calculators, printing, and so on, text to speech. So once they submit the assignment, the teacher is going to have a chart or an Excel sheet or a report about how did how did it go on. Of course, the answer key is also available. Now, this is the module opener, and let us move to the next one. So remember, the next one was the STEM project. So the next item will be the STEM project. That STEM project will guide the teacher and the student, and it has every single resource you want to do. It even has, most important, the rubrics actually to deal with what you are doing with that project. So it will follow as an engineering the process, a launch, plan, complete, and support with the rubrics that you need. As I said earlier, this is a very recommended, but some schools find it optional. Now, after the entire lesson will finish, we will come back here to do the module assessment. And that module assessment are the summative assessments that has to do with the standards covered and the differentiated instruction assessment. We will be back to here later on.